typhoon outing, everybody. Here we go.
Yes, guys, we're going to Kalibo to attend mass, 12 noon mass, and then we will buy supplies here for our house, the groceries.
Another typhoon party.
Yep.
Let's go.
We have a raincoat. James' motorcycle is good. Good. Yep. Finally arrived, guys, here in Cathedral, Kalibo Cathedral. We're a little bit late because of the rain.
Very beautiful cathedral, isn't it?
Yeah.
At least it stopped raining halfway.
Yep. Straight lang diha, all straight diha.
Alright, so what do you think, Karen? Should we buy one of these for this dirty kitchen?
Yep. You want like this all?
Another one or a very big one?
You can open it, I think.
Well, I can tell by how many watts. The bigger the panel, the more watts.
You want like this big here? Huh?
I don't know, Karen. What do you think?
What do you think, Karen? James Line. What do you think? So we'll just buy pots here, guys. The big pots that I use for planting the durian. No, that the ano lang, James. The big pots.
Looks like they don't have any. Just one.
Just one. Oh my gosh.
They've got this size. You want this?
Yeah, that is okay.
You want to ask the lady, or can we just take them?
You can just get it there.
How many do you want? All these?
20. Because it's thick, right? This one is much thicker. And then what's that, James?
There you go. WD-40.
For motorcycle.
Yeah. It's a little bit useful.
Yep.
Alright, it's a dreary day here. It's warm though, at least it's not cold. At least we got a can of WD-40. Sometimes when the bike is soaking wet, I want to put some WD-40 on there to keep a couple spots that will rust.
We'll buy ingredients now.
Buy ingredients?
Yep.
What ingredients are we going to buy?
Ingredients. For your brownies, cookies,
Brownies, pizza. Where do we get that good ground meat before?
We have ground meat here.
Okay, let's check it out. Alright. What are we getting?
I have here a powdered soup.
You ready to wash the laundry?
This is powdered soup. It says cream soup.
Yeah, last time you bought the powdered soup, you used it to wash the laundry.
No, that is different. I bought here your...
Sounds the same though.
I bought here your favorite Heinz ketchup. This is much easier compared to the glass bottle.
I wonder if they have mustard.
Yeah, I think.
Alright, let's look.
Because I have ketchup and mustard. Can you put
You should
mustard?
get 2 kilos and make patties like I showed you.
2 kilos? You want 2 kilos?
One's enough. One looks like a lot. Alright.
It's only $3.50 per kilo.
$3.50 a kilo. It's actually kind of, well, that's alright. You sure you don't want to go over there and go to Jollibee?
McDonald's is much better.
Oh my God.
Look at what
We're in the
inside of our
Philippines.
box, guys. Can you show them?
Go ahead.
It's full of
Things Karen bought.
Yep.
That's what 3,000 pesos of groceries looks like.
Yeah. 3,000 is the maximum of this box.
Okay, here.
The street lights stop na. Maybe there's no electricity. Look at how straight they have it. Street view. And then so it's evening here already, guys. We just arrived from Kalibo and Kuya Kishan is here making a door for our dirty kitchen here so that the chickens, geese, ducks won't go here inside. That is the rebars that we got yesterday at the back. Those are scraps, but Kuya Kishan weld it to put it together. Kuya Kishan weld it. Look at this, guys. Those are from scraps. Recycling. Kuya Kishan is recycling it. Yep. Wow. That is our temporary door for this, guys. Oops. Yep. See, this is our update for our dirty kitchen, guys. We have doors now. So let's try this pancit canton that we bought today in Kalibo, guys. Shin ramyun. This is very hot noodles. This is 87 pesos per pack. And let's try, guys. Let's try to cook this. So we are boiling this, guys. This pasta about 3 minutes, and then it's included here the seasonings inside. It says it's very spicy, so let's try, guys. This is our first time trying this noodles, and let's taste test. Look at this, guys. So let's try this, guys. This is for James. My sister have it already, and Kuya Christian said Quick, Christian said it's so hot. So let's test it. Taste test, guys. It's a Korean noodles. Let's try if it's tastes good. It's so spicy, guys. What do you think, Ton?
Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it's so spicy.
Christian's lips is color red already.
Yeah.
My sister too. Let's check her, guys. Hi, mauno dai.
Maybe I will die in this food, my lord.
Oops. Whew. But it's tasty, guys. Whew. Even my ears are hot. Christian. Very spicy.
Guys.
My nose is bleeding now, guys. Let's try later to James. If he can enjoy the spicy. Whew. It's so good.
Guys, I asked Jen if she wanted coffee because I know something. She can't sleep when she drinks coffee.
No coffee needs.
Yeah. So, what do you think of that, Tom? Decaffeinated coffee.
Maybe. That is new, James.
No, it's not new. I mean, it's new to us.
Yeah.
Here in the Philippines, I haven't seen decaffeinated before. So when Karen was grabbing at the coffee and it's Nescafe instant coffee, I was like, okay, great. But then she put it on the table in front of me and I read it and decaffeinated instant coffee. And I was like, Jen, you want a cup of coffee? She says no. So I said, you can drink this coffee. What do you think of this? What do you think?
Maybe I can sleep with that coffee already.
You want to try a cup?
Yeah.
You and Jen taste test it, Karen. I'll taste test it too, and Ton, see what you guys think. For me, I can sleep with the caffeine. I don't need decaffeinated, but it might be good for you guys.
Here, James, taste this.
Taste test? Okay. What?
So spicy.
Karen likes to buy spicy noodles.
Taste test. We're done already.
Oh yeah. Chili flavor. Is that what this is? Whoa. It's hot. It's good though. It's hot. Why are you laughing, Jen? Did you try it?
Yes, I have here. There is a rice here.
Oh, you have rice to kind of cool it off. All right. All right, it's good though, guys.
My nose is watering. So I cook a burger for James, guys, and look at how small it turns. That's why I'll just make another one.
You got some nene put tomatoes and then they put hamburger to go with it. Yeah. You got some. All right, it smells good though. The beef smells good, guys.
Here,
it's not bad at all.
How big earlier?
There's a lot of water in there.
Or maybe fat.
Maybe fat. Well, let's look in the pan.
Yep,
And that's not butter?
it's butter. It turned oil already.
Maybe that hamburger doesn't need any.
Look at guys, though it's big, but if you fry
It's already
it,
frozen. You put onion in there?
Yep, there's already onion and garlic in it.
So Karen's putting onion and garlic in there.
Because last time, guys, I tried the.
Do you like it better with onion and garlic?
Yeah, I use a plain beef only and not really.
Yeah, it's a little grass flavored, but if you put a little onion and garlic in there and fry it in butter or its own grease, it's fat, so that helps. It's gonna taste okay, but it's shrinking. You're right, it's the grease in this case. Smells good though.